Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome to Teach Hammer. Today we have a quick and easy tutorial for you. We are going to show you how to download Google Chrome, the world's most popular web browser, in just a few simple steps. You will have Chrome up and running on your device. But before we get started, if you are new to our channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss our tech tutorials and guides. Open any kind of browser what you already have installed to your PC. I have Microsoft Edge. Open your browser and search Google Chrome. Open the first website, what is called www.google.com. Now this interface will come. You have to click download Chrome. The downloading was started and finished. After downloading the file, click to show on folder. Open the file location. Now double click on it. If it asks any permission, click to yes. It will ask hard drive permission. You have to click yes. Now you can see that the installing process was started. It may take some time. It will depend on your internet speed. By the way, you should have internet on your PC to install this Chrome. It will take some time, like 2 or 3 minutes. You can get a coffee for you. Because you don't have to do anything. After downloading the file from internet, it will install automatically. You can see that the installing process was starting. It will start automatically. You can see that the Google Chrome has been installed successfully. You can easily sign in your Google account, search whatever you want, because this browser is secured and it's easy to use. By using this, you can get fast browsing experience, and you can use the address bar to search Google. By the way, if you forget to subscribe my channel, please do subscribe because it's free. If you think this video is helpful for you, you can like the video.